What is this thing? But this NSX, dog. Shawty hit my line every time. Shawty wanna do it in the night. What's up, guys? Hope you're having a wonderful day. Today you and I will be going to a car cave Friday night cruising. Why? Because it's a Friday today. Now this event's actually in Aiken, which is about an hour from here, and I've never been to a car meet in Aiken before, so I'm pretty excited as usual. Definitely subscribe and hit the notification bell so you can stay notified whenever I upload. Drop a comment, like, it really helps. Follow the car build on Instagram at Sazigen to keep up with it, of course. And definitely support the channel by shopping TunerGodz merch, man. TunerGodz.com. Everything will be below in the description. But without further ado, let's hit the road. Damn, Colombia? Y'all really did it today. I mean, look at this day, man. It's so freaking beautiful. You see all those clouds? Oh my goodness, man. I spot another Jenny and my camera won't focus. I had to pull up to the car wash though so we could, you know, wash up the Jenny a little bit. Okay, all right, there we go. Let's get some more pressure on it, man. Let's get some more pressure. That's how it's supposed to look right there. Like what? So we got a Mustang on the trailer here, guys, and he has drag slicks in the back, so you know this must be an 800 horsepower beast, hopefully, maybe, who knows. And we've arrived to Car Cave, man. Ooh, I see some nice rides in the parking lot already. STI pulling in, oh my god, look at those calipers though. Lime green, I like it. It's holding Commodore though. Nice, nice. Ellis engine stock, man. That's so sick. The Chevy SS. Nice, nice. Yeah, they're basically the same car. Yeah, nah, this Corvette though, man, super sick. L82 limited edition official pace car. Nice little dark green Taurus over here. Yo, every time I see a Taurus though, I can't help but get tripped out and think it's a cop. And then this 370, man, with some badass wheels too. Carbon fiber on the mirror, and I love that wing too on the rear end. Oh my goodness, what is this? Is this a kit car? I have no idea. But this thing sounds amazing, bro. What is this thing? Oh my goodness, bro. So guys, I have with me the owner of this awesome car I've never seen before, and he's gonna tell us some more about it.
So it's a 2006 Noble M400. There's about 78 Nobles left in the U.S.
Right.
They originally had 220, but a lot of people wreck them because it's a lot of car with no driver aid. So there's no traction control,
Absolutely.
no ABS or anything. So
none of that.
None of that.
Oh my gosh! So, look at this beauty. It's a twin turbo V6, and it comes with how many horses?
Right now it's making 560 at the wheels.
Oh my gosh!
And weighs just under 2,300 pounds.
That's insane, dude. That's insane. Dude, that is insane, bro. Look at the interior.
Yep. There's only about 78
carbon fiber everywhere, man. Manual, these racing seats, racing harness, whole 9 yards, bro. And then the inside here is a completely different story, bro. Look at this C8, dog. This AMG though, oh my goodness. Plus I got some other rides over here too, man. Some things sold, some things not, but you know, it's pretty lit, pretty lit. And then check out this badass Ferrari Lusso though, man. Oh my goodness, dog. That interior, bro, look at it. Respect it. Love it. Ferrari. It comes in a 3.9 liter V8 and a 6.3 liter V12, pushing from either like 602 to 680 horsepower. MSRP at 260,000. That is, that's incredible, man. And then we got some other old school rides right here. This thing that looks like a Beamer, but I'm pretty sure it isn't. And then, you know, like some M5s over here chilling, M5 wagons. So I had an absolute blast coming out to Carcave, man. It was a pretty sweet event, but you know, it's still kind of early. It's 6:05 right now, and the Irmo meet's just starting at 6:30. So why don't we swing by and see what's up over there, you know? Stancy Boy BRZ wide body kit, bagged out, dual single exit exhaust. My God. Yeah, I haven't seen a wide body BRZ FRS 86 in person, and this looks sweet, man. For real, for real. Sheesh. Look at this Mustang though, man. Hood off, everything. My goodness gracious. Pro Dyno, you know this boy doesn't play? I wonder how much he's putting down, man. Looks like he's putting on a lot. This GT350 though, man. Oh my goodness, dog. That front end is very similar to a GT500. Then we got another Mustang down here. You know, Hell Kitty to the right. Boom. And then a Hemi RT right over here too. Okay, I like this one though. TT. Nice. Another Audi. V-Dub. Red wheels. Clean. Sick ass M3 matte military green wrap, putting down almost 500 to the wheel. This thing is a beast, man. Sheesh, look at this Mustang though. Sweet RS right here. You guys know how I feel about these things. They're so nice, man. This Lexus though. It sounds good, man. It does. The homie Chase's Mustang RTR. This thing is fire, dog. So super fast. Yes, sir. You remember this? This thing is nice. The GTM. So super cool, bro. This NSX though. NSXs are sexy, that's all I can say. But this NSX, dog, so clean, so beautiful. It has the Acura badge, not a Honda one. But this is what I like, man. Much prefer the old NSX to the new one. Then again, if somebody wanted to give me a new one, I wouldn't tell them no. This M5 though, oxidation in the headlights, that's cool though. This thing will still clap a lot of cars. Supra came to the party? Oh my God, dude. Look at this thing, bro. Look at this. This Supra though, man. Oh my gosh. Mark IV. Dude, that's so crazy. this GTR though. Pull out to the show right when I'm about to leave too. Look at that, man. Look, you always just gotta respect it, man. Always. I'm taking my ass home. I have to be up at 5 in the morning. No, 4 in the morning, man. All in all, guys, I had such a great day today, man. Honestly, I hit 2 car meets today, met some really awesome people, and I mean, you know, that's the usual, but I still had a lot of fun today, man. Lots and lots and lots of fun. Definitely subscribe and hit the notification bell so you can stay notified whenever I upload. Drop a comment, drop a like, it really helps, trust me. Follow the car build on Instagram at Sansigen to keep up with it too, and definitely cop some TunerGodz merch, people. Link will be below in the description, TunerGodz.com. But we're gonna wrap this up right here, so you already know. Peace, love, sleep with grease, like, share, and subscribe for more vlogs, videos like this one, because of Saze Vlogs.
I say, flingy back on me. Chatty batty and do it on a beat. Me and the liquor and I'm a cup, it never free. Girl, they looking at your eye, tell me, come now. She want love now.